Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new to here, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss out our latest videos. Today we are diving deep into blockboard components, specifically the core and face. If you are into woodworking or future furniture manufacturing, this is a must watch. Let's get started. Blockboard component, top core and face. Now that we understand the composition of blockboards, which includes center, top and bottom core and face, let's delve into materials used for the top and bottom layers, both sides of the frame in blockboard manufacturing. When we create the frame for the blockboards, it initially appears as a skeleton of wood with all joints visible. When it can technically be used as it is, certain issues will arise. It cannot be directly laminated or it cannot be veneered due to uneven surface. Painting and polishing become challenging. The face and back that is the front and back, are crucial not just for aesthetic but also for functional purpose. These layers contribute to CNC cutting and engraving, enhance screw holding capacity, and help maintain board's structural integrity. Conventional blockboard structure. In a conventional setup, a veneer core typically in the thickness of 1.5 mm to 2.5 mm used on both sides, that is known as the top and bottom of the board. On top of it, to give the smooth finish, a commercial veneer of 0.25 mm to 0.45 mm thickness is pasted. This gives the final finish to the board. This combination provides shape, strength, appearance, smooth finishing, and improved screw holding capacity along with these other essential properties. As we know that the surface finish of MDF is superior to that of plywood. Nowadays, MDF is increasingly used as a core material on both sides of the frame instead of plywood core. In this case, MDF alone is used because the surface of the MDF is smooth. Now, if you use MDF alone, you don't need to use a face veneer, though you can still use a face veneer. The advantage of MDF-based blockboards. If the board is a wood base, it consists of a core and face. However, if MDF is used, it consists solely of MDF without a separate core and face veneer. However, a face veneer is an option. An added advantage of MDF is its suitability for the CNC cutting and engraving, providing a designer look to the doors. Due to its uniform density, MDF-based boards offers a cleaner and more precise engraving finish compared to traditional plywood-based board. MDF panel comes in various variants such as interior grade, exterior grade, water resistant, and high density water resistance, that is enhanced water resistance. We will cover these issues in a separate write-up. Popularity of wooden veneer-based product in India, because we are using those wooden veneer-based blockboard for ages, so there is a perceived value, there is a trusted factor, there is a trust factor. This preference is due to the perceived value and long-term reliability, as they are being used for the long period, and there is a proven track record. Other variant of the blockboards can be flush door, molded door, veneer face doors, laminated doors. We will learn about these in next write-up. We hope this video helped you understand the essential component of blockboard, especially the importance of core and face. If you found this information useful, do not forget to share and comment below with any questions or suggestions for future topics. Also hit that subscribe button and turn on notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in next video. Thank you.